Okay, guys. Here we are. We got it done. Sit over there. We're fixing to eat. Mo's going to show y'all. You need to get over there so you can show them how to put the plate together. She's going to show y'all. Watch. Make sure they can see her. Right here, Mo.
Mama, go fix that thing.
Y'all seeing us? Aw, get up here and let's eat. What's wrong with your foot, baby? Okay, we put rice. It buns. That thing bunned it. So don't tell them then we put chicken.
Hold on.
Oh, well.
Mama's gonna make hers different. She does not like her food touching.
There's your chicken. You want some sauce over your rice? Right here. Yes, sit right here. Right there.
So she's gonna put a little sauce on the side too.
Okay. I'll fix mine and show you how I fix it.
No, eat.
You want to eat?
No.
Well, don't eat it. I do my rice in the middle of my plate. And then I do my chicken. I love you too. It's hot. Wait. Shh. Yeah, baby. I love you, baby. Put my chicken up here. And then, guys, like, slather on the sweet and sour.
Sit with me.
He wants to sit by you.
You gonna sit right there? I'm gonna sit right here.
And there we go, guys. Now, let's see if it's good. I'm coming. I'll get up and get my water in just a minute. This is hot. So I gotta cool it.
Now you got on the one right to try and put a sticker on your computer.
Because she put a selling sticker on my computer. Okay, kiddos, we ready to eat?
Oh,
you need my water. It's loud, guys. Thank you. Thank you for my chips, baby. Alright, guys, now I'm going to fix my plate.
So could you just eat the chicken like fried chicken?
Yes. Yes.
Hello, Mommy.
Thank you, darling. You're so sweet. Mom cooked enough rice, but that's all right. They didn't have fried rice tomorrow. That'd be delicious. Fried rice is one of my favorites. Okay, fixing to try it. I know you can't see me, but I'm fixing to try it. What do you think about it, Mama? Oh my goodness, it is delicious. Got thumbs up from me and Mama, guys. It's good. It's really good. Really good. Really good. You want some rice?
No.
Yes, ma'am?
No.
You don't want rice?
No.
Then no, ma'am.
No.
What do you want then? You got chips.
Okay. You okay?
Well, you need to sit down because your diaper's right in the thing. So you need to sit down. Yeah. Right. On your knees. Okay, guys, it's very good. We're going to go ahead and cut off the live so we can eat and enjoy, but it is really good. Really good. Thank y'all for watching, okay? Bye, guys.